Hello and welcome to How to Play Jumanji. The game is played with 2 to 4 players. To play, you will need the Jumanji game. The board is placed into the middle of the playing area. Place the dome in the center of the board. Each player chooses a mover and places it in one of the 4 corners of the board. The challenge cards are shuffled and placed face down near the board. The red dome side should be facing up. Place the sand timer and 6 dice near the challenge cards. Give each player 3 life tokens. The object of the game is for a player to make it to the center of the board before any player loses all their life tokens. This is a cooperative game, meaning everyone wins or everyone loses. Choose one player to have the first turn. Blue will have the first turn in this game. A turn begins with the player rolling the 2 regular dice. The player will then move forward on the path the amount rolled with the dice. Blue rolled 9 and will move forward 9 spaces. After rolling, Blue will draw a card and place it into the dome without looking at the other side. A riddle will be seen in the dome for the player to solve. There are 20 possible answers to the riddles that are listed in the game instructions. If the player guesses the answer to the riddle correctly, the player will move forward 1 extra space. After completing the riddle, the player will read and try to complete the challenge on the back of the card. There are 3 types of challenges: danger, timed, and storytelling. The challenge may involve all the players in the game to complete. If the challenge is successfully completed, play moves to the next player. If the challenge is failed, the player whose turn it is will lose a life token. The first player to reach the center of the board and announce Jumanji wins the game for the whole group. If any player runs out of life tokens before someone makes it to the center, the game is lost. When playing with only 2 players, each player will start the game with 4 life tokens instead of just 3. Players can gift life tokens to any other player in order to keep players alive and the game going. If a player rolls doubles, they get another turn. The second turn is taken after the challenge of the first turn is over. That wraps up How to Play Jumanji. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.